Okay, before everyone gets offended, no, being poor does not mean you're stupid. And no, watching one millionaire morning routine video will not magically make you rich either. Apparently, all I need to do is wake up at 3:42 a.m., drink radioactive green juice, and boom, billionaire. Wow, why didn't economists think of that?
Jeez, is that true?
That's delightful.
What is that actually happened?
First reason people stay poor? They spend money trying not to look poor. Humans are fascinating. Somebody making 25,000 rupees a month will buy a 1 lakh rupee phone to take selfies in bad lighting. And the funniest part? Nobody cares.
Nobody cares.
Seriously, people are too busy worrying about their problems to care about your fake luxury lifestyle.
Okay.
Rich people buy things that make money. Poor people buy things that look expensive. There's a difference. Social media made everybody financially confused. 1 second you're watching cat videos, next second, some guy named Crypto King Wolf 999 is teaching you financial freedom. Brother, you are filming motivation videos in a rented Airbnb. You must escape the Matrix. Bro, you are the Matrix. Social media makes people compare their real life to somebody else's highlight reel, and that destroys financial discipline, because now people buy emotionally, not logically. Why are there always only 2 left in stock? Every website says the same thing. I think they're lying to me. School teaches you algebra, but nobody teaches taxes. Find X. Okay, cool. Now find my will to live after electricity bills. To be fair, I am literally a floating fireball giving financial advice. So maybe humanity was already doomed. Humans buy things based on emotions. Sad? Buy food. Happy? Buy food. Heartbroken? Buy more food. I don't even have a stomach, and somehow I still understand emotional eating. Companies know exactly how to manipulate people. Limited offer. Flash sale. Only 2 left. Why are there always 2 left? A lot of people stay stuck because they're terrified of failing. They never start. They never learn. They never improve. I'm gonna change my life. Ow! That's called experience. Every successful person failed many times, but people only post the success part. Nobody uploads day 47 of crying and losing money. Everybody wants fast money. Nobody wants slow discipline. People will risk 50,000 rupees on crypto, but refuse to invest in learning an actual skill. Guys, this coin will go to the moon. Oh, never mind. Wealth usually grows slowly. Boring habits, consistency, patience, and humans hate patience. So, why do poor people stay poor? Because most people were never taught how money actually works. They chase appearances. They compare themselves online. They spend emotionally. And they want fast success. And honestly, if a floating piece of fire understands this, you probably can too. Oh, and one more thing. Stop buying things just because influencers told you to, including their courses. Anyway, please like the video. Wait, no, I set the like button on fire again!